Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm coming with y'all with a makeup tutorial inspired by a character off of She-Ra, Princess of Power, from the original series. So before I get started, I want to tell you what I have already used and stuff. So one of the things I have used is the NYX Professional HD Studio base primer. And the foundation I end up using is my Physician Formula, the Healthy Foundation in uh, let's see, DN4. So that is that. The concealer I end up using is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear, and this is walnut 395, and I will be coming with a review on this. And the setting powder you see, I went a little darker with it, and I have the Fit Me loose finishing powder in 35 deep. So yeah. So before I get started on my makeup tutorial, the look I will be doing based off the character, and let me just say, the character Peaky Blue. So if you don't know nothing about Peaky Blue, I'm going to actually give you a little insight as I go. So I am looking for a certain palette. Let me see if I can pull a brown into my crease. Let's see. Yeah. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to be using for my Shape Tape eyeshadow base. And while I'm giving you a little doing my eyes, I'm going to give you a little insight on Peaky Blue. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me just start. All y'all know I don't do pull from the newer series, the reboot. I pull from the original. So that's where you're going to be getting all of my information from. So let's get started. So Peaky Blue, what can I say? Peaky Blue is this beautiful woman, and her colors are greens, blues, and purples, mostly peacock colors. I'm going to try to pull it in the best way I can today. But Peaky Blue is a asset. It's two people that are assets to none other, Adora and the Great Rebellion, She-Ra. Now, Peaky Blue is one of them. I will later next week do another one on somebody who was a great asset. I originally did another one earlier this couple months ago on Perfuma. Now it's three people who is very important assets to the Great Rebellion. Perfuma was one. Now here is Peaky Blue. Peaky Blue, the way that it goes with her, and I'm going to take this brown right here, and with her, it's like this. With Peaky Blue, I like her, and Peaky Blue is a real, and when I say real important, she is. She's very important. By important, you going, how important is she? Now, Peaky Blue can actually have premonitions, and she can literally tell Adora, is it Adora? Yeah, Adora. Adora of what Hordak is up to. She can she has visions. So you can kind of say she's sort of like what today we call a medium and stuff. She knows what's going to happen or what's going to happen, but she has a different aspects of it, of the medium and stuff. So she's more can see premonitions. That's one. All right. And this is the newer palette I got, so we're going to be using this today. In the first color, I'm going to take, I'm looking for the perfect green, and we're going to be using this green right here. So that's the green we're using. And I'm going to be looking down for this one. And with this, Picky Blue is someone I like. She's just someone that will take it to the it's something different about her. She just, as a character wise, is a better character and stuff. I didn't even see Picky Blue in the series. And Picky Blue is a huge, and when I say huge aspect, we're going to take this one right here, and we're going to go in the brightest yellow I have, and we're going to use this. And we're just going to just add it here a little bit. Yeah, we're just going to bring it in a little. And then blend it out. But yeah, but with her, it's like totally different. I'm gonna take this again. I'm gonna take this purple, and we're going to and stuff. But with Picky Blue, it's like totally and the last color, we're going to take this one. And we're going to take this beautiful blue right here and to finish it off. Excuse me, y'all. I actually like how it turned out. It's just alright. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this brush. And we're going to put the Black Radiance Soft Finishing Powder in Milk Chocolate Finish to just finish it off. No, I actually kind of like it. And this is just for Picky Blue. Like I said, she has the visions and thing. So what I'm gonna do for a blush, I don't usually do something too wacky, but I want to try to keep the blush neutral. And I'm gonna go for my favorite one. I'm gonna go for this one. And this is the LA Girl Rouge Blush. And this is in Awesome. That's that. And as a highlight, we're just gonna go something totally different for a highlight. So we're going to use this brush right here. And we're going to use the Colton Aspen Loose Highlighter. If I can get a little bit. Having a little trouble right now with this. So let's screw this back on for a bit. Shake it up. Ooh. Shook up a little too much, but hey. And we're just gonna very lightly. There we go. There we go. And we're just gonna use this brush to blend it out. And I actually am liking how it looks. But I'm gonna go back with that same one. And what we're going to do, that's a little hard. Nope. Here we go. We're going to take this brush right here. I'm just going to dip it in. And on the tip of my nose. And just go up. And blend out. Y'all see that? That's what I'm doing. So before I jump, and actually I'm going to take the same, I'm going to take that highlight and I'm going to use it as a brow bone highlight. And what we're going to do, let me close this up. And where is that brush I need? Well, we're going to use this brush right quick because I can't find my brush I'm looking for. There we go. And we're going to put the lipstick on, and the lipstick I'm going to be using is the Milani 29 Teddy Bear. I'm just using it because of my skin color, but you can use whatever color you want. And I'm just combining a couple of these. Right now I'm going to use that color, and I'm also going to be using 79 Dokei. It's like this, and just setting it in the middle, and there you go. I mean, yeah, this is my interpretation of Peaky Blue off of She-Ra, Princess of Power. And if I'm going to look at it, I think it turned out pretty good, pretty well. And I think that highlight did very well as a brow bone color. But yeah. But yeah, y'all, if you know another character y'all would love to see me do from none other She-Ra, Princess of Power, please, from the original series though, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe!